Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to download Lucidchart. All right. So first off on phone, go ahead and open up your respective Play Store or App Store. All right. Just tap on it to open it up. Wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, go ahead and use the search function. Just tap on it and tap on the search bar. Now go ahead and type in Lucidchart. All right. Once that's done, just hit on the find button on your keyboard and wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, as you can see here, Lucidchart is available. Just go ahead and tap on install. Or if you're using iOS, go ahead and tap on get. Now let's just go ahead and wait for it to install. And then it's done. Just hit on open to open it up and log in with your Lucidchart account. Now, unfortunately for PC, as you can see here by the Lucidchart representative, and it was posted a month ago. So it says here, we want to be transparent and let you know that while we understand the value this would bring, which is the computer version, it's not currently prioritized on our immediate roadmap. All right. And we do value your input and we'll continue to consider it for future planning. All right. So that's basically it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.